Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a Discord webhook to Roblox Studio. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, open Discord, go to Discord server and click the down arrow, go to server settings, integrations, and create a new webhook. Here, as you can see, I've created a new webhook. I'm going to call it Roblox webhook. Save changes and just copy the webhook URL. And we can exit Discord and just hop onto Roblox Studio. So once you're on Roblox Studio, first of all, you have to make sure HTTP requests are enabled. So just go to game settings in the home tab, go to security and make sure this is checked. If it isn't, just check it, click save and exit. Right now, what we have to do is just add a script. I'm going to add it to server script service. I'm going to call it HTTP test. Okay, in the script, I'm going to get the HTTP service, so game get service, HTTP service. So now we have it in this local, the HTTP service. So now I'm going to actually define what our message will be. So local message equals content, so the actual content of our message. This is a message sent from Roblox Studio. Okay, now we have to translate the message to something that Discord will actually understand. So message equals HTTP service JSON encode message. So our message right now, our message is encoded JSON, and that is actually a format that Discord will understand. So right now we can just send it. So HTTP service post async. Here you put in your webhook URL and message. Okay, so right now, once we run the game, a message should be sent in our server. So let's check it out if it works. So run, no errors, and as you can see, we have a message here. Okay, right now we're gonna actually do something more advanced. So I'm going to do something that will notify me, send a message in Discord once a player joins my game. So just game.players and player added, connect function player. Yeah, and right now what I'm gonna do is just grab this, copy this into here, and we're going to do something like this. Content equals player name has joined the game. Yeah. Now let's see what it does. Let's play the game, and let's check it out what it says in Roblox Discord. As you can see, the web works. It has said Kejjtoli has joined the game, and this will work for Roblox, not only Roblox Studio. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do your Roblox webhooks, and that's pretty much the whole video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and see you later. Goodbye.